Hi, it's Bill with the Home Premier team bringing you the real estate market update for January 2022. We rang in the new year with sales of existing homes reaching its highest level since 2006, and the low cost of mortgages have driven sales of existing homes up 8.5%. Let's get into the report. New listings weren't able to keep up with the positive trend, decreasing by 11.3% from 600 homes to 532. Sales kept up with New Year's resolutions, with closed sales increasing by 0.4% from 536 homes in 2021 to 538 in 2022. And pending sales decreased by 8% from 584 homes to 504. Inventory shrank faster than our waistlines after the holiday season of a whopping 40.6% decrease from 682 homes to 405 homes over the course of the year. However, the number of days on market stayed the same at 22 days in 2022. And while inventory is shrinking, sales prices are growing. The average price of homes increased by 17.8% from $264,980 in 2021 to $312,210 in 2022. Sadly, like most New Year's resolutions, buyers may be forced to put their home purchase plans on hold. The increase in price with a decrease of inventory, along with growing interest rates and inflation, means that buyers are paying significantly more per month compared to this time last year, which may cause sales to slow as more buyers are priced out of the market. However, we shouldn't give up hope. It's a new year, and there's a potential market turnaround in the coming months. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.